I always go through and clean off the nozzle when it kind of oozes like that after it does the bed level. Just zip over to the left there and do our little test strip. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, you can see there. Cool. Then you'll jump back to the middle and you won't be able to see anything over there. There's a little fiddly right there. That's okay. What we're looking for is the thickness. And first layer, first ring going down. I don't know what's going on with my camera that it's flickering. Hopefully in post cleanup it's not there. But anyway, those of you that want to see that first layer form, we're a little bit into that first layer already, but I think we're all settled. No hairspray, no glue stick. I'll wipe it down with 91% isopropyl alcohol. And I literally spray it onto a piece of paper towel and I wipe the bed. Usually between every single print. I don't have not sticking issues. I have issues where the shit won't come off. But you wait for that bed to cool off. I usually print at about 65C. If I wait for it to cool off to about 35C, I don't do anything. Just touch the part and it's just sitting on there. Completely loose and free. So all these people that are using hairspray and glue stick and masking tape, I know you've heard it 1,000 times, and I don't want to be a dick, but do not level your bed. Stop that. That's misinformation. Tram your X. That's this piece up here. Tram. Just like a CNC machine. The bed level honestly doesn't mean shit. I mean, you want it close, but it really doesn't matter. When you run the auto level in the system, it knows that the bed's low on one side or high on one corner or whatever the case may be. And it changes the programming to match that. But if that X carriage is not trammed, that's when you run into issues. You need to tram the X carriage. Because the printer knows it's not level. Mine it's close actually. Mine's all in the green, but that top left corner right there underneath you now is 0.5 negative. The far right corner away from you is plus 5. 0.5, sorry, plus 0.5. So yeah, that's a millimeter difference from one corner to the other. I don't know if the bed's warped, I don't know what. It's as close as I can get it. Doesn't matter. Run the bed leveling system. Hey, this side's low, we need to add this much. This side's high, we need to subtract this much. And if your X carriage is trammed, it fixes itself, people. Well, you can see that's the first layer going down. I'm not going full bed size. That's probably about a, what is that, about a 6-inch circle, I think. You know, I got maybe, 2 inches, inch and a half to the edges on all four sides. And it's not 100% perfect. It may look like it. It's pretty damn close. It's close enough I'm going to go with it. But trim the X carriage. Get the bed close. Get as level as you can. Right. There somewhere. Might be a piece of dust. Oh, that's a piece of dust. Okay. Oh yeah, you're gonna get dust all over your stuff. You got animals, dog hair, cat hair, well, you know. There it is. So I got it when it was $2.99. So I misspoke. $2.99. I can't remember now. Was it 1,000 printers? I'm sure. You can pause anywhere along the way and look at that. Now I don't freaking remember. However many there were, I was the sixth one. And then they sold out, waited like 4 days, and then they added on 200, and then I think they added on another 500. But either way, they're sold out of all the early birds. And you can see here where it says estimated delivery time, June 30th. I'm 90% positive they mean shipping for early bird orders is June 30th. Freaking fabulous if I got it in the next couple of days, but I'm expecting the next couple of weeks. We will see. But basically, it's, well, we can see what it is. We can see what we're printing on. I mean, obviously they have their own handle on the drawer. Full-size memory card reader, of course. Spool holder. See-through BMG clump extruder. Supposed to be dual gear. I have not heard any complaints on this. I mean, you probably watched all the YouTube videos on it. Memory card slot reader at the bottom of the LCD screen. I don't know why, like, Lowell and all them, they don't show this stuff. They just kind of slap it together, do a print, and do their, I don't know, he likes to drink. Hydrate. Not insinuating anything out. Oh, I agree or anything. But anyway, they don't show you that stuff. There's another guy, I think his name's like Spencer or something or other. I can't say that on any video I've seen they really show you this. Yeah, there's a memory card reader there. On the Anycubic site, I've gone through it with the firmware updating and watched how to update firmware, and it shows you the memory card there. It's just like the Creality, except the Creality you have to take it apart. Unless you're like most of us using the Creality Facebook community firmware that Sebastian contributed massively to. You probably plugged an extension USB card reader into your motherboard. You don't have to. Basically, they are very, very similar printers. And I mean, they're going to, everything's based on content. It's like cars. Your, whatever the hell you drive, and you compare that to the car in your neighbor's driveway, they're pretty much the same thing. I mean, they got 4 wheels, a steering wheel, gas pedal, a brake, a shifter of some sort, an engine, a transmission, and it goes. The details of it are a little different, obviously. Like this double screw Z-axis tensioner. What? I don't know. Oh yeah, here's that dual gear extruder I was talking about. It's got 2 parts cooling fans, and then the hot end cooling fan. It's got the PEI sheets, magnetic. I've honestly never used one. Nobody talks about them. I know most of them really like them. I really like this Ultra base that we're printing on right now. But we'll see what happens. Who knows? I may like this better. And then also, from what I understand, that PIE sheet, one side is the really rough side, and again, I think it was Spencer, he flipped it over. The other side is smooth, and parts seem to stick just as well. And of course, pop it over, or pop it off, and kind of do that little flexi thing, it pops right up. Yes, we are on the layer 2, coming up from that back right corner towards the camera. First layer pouring was a success.